Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through the full installation process of DIgSILENT PowerFactory 2021. Whether you're a student, engineer, or just getting started with power system analysis, this guide will help you install and set up the software correctly, so you can jump straight into modeling and simulation without any hassles. Let's get started. Before starting the installation process, make sure to disable any antivirus software and disconnect any network connections. For me, I don't have any antivirus applications installed on my PC. Make sure to disable any antivirus software and deactivate any network connections before beginning the installation procedure. I don't have any antivirus software installed on my computer. Step 1. Look for tamper protection. Here, turn off all additional settings, including real-time protection, before closing. Alternatively, just type Virus and Threat Protection under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Click Manage Settings, then repeat the previous steps. Step 2. The zip file needs to be extracted now. Await the successful completion of the process. To begin the installation, open PowerFactory 2021, then right-click on the setup and select Run as Administrator. Alternatively, you can double-click the setup. Click on Next. Accept the terms of the DIgSILENT license agreement, then Next. Select Complete Installation, then Next. It needs at least 5 GB of free space. Click on Next, and then Install. Now the installation process starts. Wait until the installation process is complete. Click on Finish. Now the installation process completes successfully, then close. Step 3. Now is the time to set up the configuration process. Go back to the PowerFactory 2021 Extract DSPFSP1 folder. Search for tamper protection on the search bar, and then open it. Here, move down and find Add and Remove Exclusions, then click on Add an Exclusion folder. Browse the PowerFactory 2021 setup location on your computer. Then select the folder, like me, and click on Select Folder. Again, do the same operation for DSPFSP2, then select the folder. All done. Congratulations! Step 4. Configure DSPFSP2 DIL files. Return to PowerFactory 2021 and open DSPFSP2 folder here. Select all the files, Ctrl+A, then copy all these files. Move to the file installation path. You can do using 2 methods. For the first one, click on the PowerFactory shortcut, then click on File Location, and then paste the copied file here. Or go to the installation path, in my case, local disk C, Program Files, then find DIgSILENT and open it. In the PowerFactory 2021 SP2 folder here, paste the file that you copied from DSPFSP2. Replace files. All done. Step 5. The installation process and configuration process are complete successfully. Now it's time to check if the set is working or not. As you saw, my PowerFactory 2021 runs fine. It's ready for work. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.